Right then, so we have a pair of trousers, cords in this case, or jeans that are too big. So we're going to pop some elastic in. Now a lot of people pop the elastic between here and here. I don't. I put the elastic round the side. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So you're going to need wide elastic like this. Okay, so it's about an inch, inch and a half. Nothing any more narrow than that, it won't work. And you're going to need a stitch unpicker. And the first thing you need to do is see whether or not you've got a loop in the way of where you want to put your elastic. Can you see this side? I've unpicked the loop, and then in order to put the elastic in, I pinned it back out of the way. So that's your first job to do. Unpick that loop just from one side and then move it out of the way. Being very careful, that's sharp in there. You just tease it through until you get the thread and then pull it back. It takes a bit of time. Be careful not to cut through your waistband or your cord. You're going to be sewing it back in a minute, so it'll cover anything you've unpicked. So don't worry too much. Can you see the threads coming away now? So you just keep doing this until the loop's unstitched. Right, we're nearly there, and we've done it. So get rid of all of this out of the way. You might have wanted to unpick it from here, but just be careful, because if it's folded back inside as these are, you're still going to end up with it being in your way, which is why I've gone from the top. So I'm going to pin that out of the way now, and we're ready to measure the elastic. Okay, so equidistance from this side. I've already done this side. Hold on to it tight. Pull like mad, because you're going to want it to be really tight, and use the elastic. And you're coming in this side the same distance, bearing in mind that's crossed over there, so I'm coming to here. Measure it out if you want to, but I can see by eye that's where to go. So that's the distance I'm coming across there. So that's cut ready now. So now we need to get that sewn on there. Right, the first thing I do is secure the end here. So just go, make sure you cast it or go back over it so it doesn't unravel. Okay, so I'm going to do the top bit first, because you've got your guide then. Now you're going to pull that as tightly as you can, and that is going to cause a lot of tension, so you're going to need to guide it through at the back as well, so you don't snap your needle. So know where your end point is, pull, and then sew. As I say, hold the back and take the tension off that needle. And when you get to the end, same as the other end, secure the end. Go over it a couple of times, as it takes a lot of pressure. Okay, so now we're going to do this side, the inside. So off we go again, past the end. And finally through the middle, and that helps to keep it gathered nicely once they're being worn. And then that just leaves you to sew back your loop, your belt loop, tidy up the ends, and try them on. Hope they fit.
Well, there we are then. Grand job. Going to stay up now at last. Great trousers, just didn't like them falling off. Job done. So all that stuff, usual place, Derriton 33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.